Welcome back, everybody. We're here at Harvester Park in Burr Ridge to see why this is one of the top parks on the list. So let's go check this out. And they've got a little splash pad here for the summertime. Little cow. Is that a cool train, are you? Oh, Belle. Ah, look at all that stuff. Coal cars, seating. They've got a whole bunch of locks and cranks, valves, a bunch of different sensory things to play with. You gotta hit her with the thing. They got a bunch of bells up here. Craig Mill Farm. What else is in here, Ari? What do these things do? There's no way to hit them? Oh, look, the red thing's down there. Whoa. Pots and pans. There's another stick down here. They have bells up at the top too, Ari. I don't know how they work. There's a button. Oh yeah, you could hit those with the sticks. Cymbal. It's like a little drum set. Look, you go in the middle and you hit this one with your foot, and then you hit all these other ones around you. It's like a big drum set. Cool. Look at all this stuff. I think you could spin this wheel and that goes to something up there. Huh. Some keys to rattle. You're supposed to hit that with the sticks. There's some red ones down there. Little bell. And then there's a washboard. You can move it up and down with the sticks. Yeah, there you go. Whole bunch of noise. Here's a little triangle up here. What is this thing? I don't know what that does. Oh, you hit it. It's like a drum. Wow, cool, Ari. I think that that wheel you were spinning is supposed to I think that wheel you were spinning is supposed to move that bell up there. Oh, there you go. Do you need me to hold your monster truck? Wonder Woman. Oh yeah, that way's easier. So there you go. Rolly slide. Whoa. Some little bumps on the ground. Pathways to climb up. It's like a big scoop. Whoa! That was a fast one, Ari. Wow. Oh, doesn't look like that little staircase goes anywhere. Wah, wah. That doesn't go anywhere, Ari. That's under construction over there. Looks like they're gonna make the park bigger and better. Probably have to come check it out again when it's done. Coming spring 2022. So keep an eye on this when it gets finished. What's up there? Oh yeah, there's a slide over there. Rock climber here. Whoa. Oh, that was a fast one. Good job using the footholds. Yeah, nice job, Ari. Treehouse. What's going on in there? Oh, there's little stairs that go up. Wow. Little ladder on the outside. Another little entrance here. Cool little treehouse. Good climbing, Ari. Across the bridge. There's a little rope bridge to grab onto. Here's the other part of the park they're building. Whoa. That looks cool. We'll have to come back here and make another video of this new part when it's all finished. Okay, old broken car under the bridge. Oh, look at this little zip line. Wow. Yeah, that's a big kid zip line. There's the construction at another angle. Then they got the zip line. They got a little tire swing. Whoa! The tree house. Oh, go up there. We got a ladder. Wow. Got some little logs to walk on, I guess. How are you gonna do it? Looks like there's a little nature path that goes back there. Courts, bunch of workout equipment, basketball courts, workout equipment. I got the basketball court, little water trench. They have all these dams in here. You're supposed to pump the water and then the dams stop it up. You can move the dams. It goes all the way to that little pit. What is that? A big drill? What do you think of this thing, Ari? I don't know how you climb up with that. Oh, that's so you scoop the sand and then you use the rope to pull it up and bring the sand up here. You got the shovel to dig in the sand. Little tables to play with the sand. And they got this big thing. Big sand contraption. Are you using the digger? They've got a volleyball court over here. So what'd you think of this park, Ari? Is it a good one? Would you tell people to come back here? Yeah, me too. This is a nice one. We're gonna have to check it out when they're done building it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share with your friends. And until the next video, we'll see you next time.